Hey everyone, so in this video we're going to be focusing on the 6 basic movement patterns that I think all beginners should know before they start training. The reason why we're focusing on these 6 is because they're the most easily loadable. We need to have a really good base of strength before we start isolating certain muscles, okay? Second thing is because these are the movements that you're going to probably have the most transfer to towards your everyday life. Okay, so let's get started. For the lower body there's 2 main ones, and for the upper body there's 4 main ones, okay? So we're going to get started with the lower body. For the lower body, there's a hip hinge, okay? So this focuses on flexing your hips a lot and having very little bend in your knees, okay? There's some variations where, you can have a pretty good bend in your knees and stuff, but the main focus is more on your hips, for your hip flexors, your glutes, hamstrings, all that stuff, okay? Now, for your squat, okay, that's the second movement pattern. For a squat, it focuses more on that knee bend, and it'll have some good hip flexion as well, okay? But for the most part, it's going to be focusing on that knee movement, okay? Now, for your upper body, the 4 main ones are horizontal push, horizontal pull, vertical push, and vertical pull, okay? I don't think I need to explain any further than this, but basically, get these movement patterns into your program, load them up, and get strong with them, and then when you get good with these movement patterns, you can probably start isolating, okay? So that's the tip for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, alright? Take care.